Let's see how you can generate a follow-up email for students who showed interest in a program using the UniGlobal AI Copilot. On the left-hand side, begin by entering the institution name. Here, we've typed Northern Arizona University. Then enter the program name, it's Creative Arts, and under the event description, we've entered Recruitment Fair in Spain. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once the form is filled out, click the Generate button. Now, turning to the right-hand side, you'll see a follow-up email ready to be sent. It thanks the student for their interest, reinforces the benefits of the Creative Arts program, and outlines the next steps, including reminders about application deadlines and personalised support available. It also invites further contact and reaffirms the institution's commitment to international applicants. The content can be reviewed, exported to Word, or copied into your email platform.